We have our music mode. So this will just change depending on the volume, the music, or the beat in your room. Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Nanoleaf Elements. Nanoleaf did send me the sample, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Here's a look at the retail box and packaging. This is so cool. So these are made to look like wood panels. They do illuminate. We have an ambient white color temp from anywhere between 1500 and 4000 kelvins. It has a music mode. You can control up to 80 panels per controller, and they're touch reactive, so they can react to your touch as well. Really cool box, walking you through more details, features, and I love, love, love the product photography for inspiration. Now let's go ahead, let's open them up and see what's inside. Here are all the contents. First up, we have our product literature with design inspiration here. So multiple patterns for you.